Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 and 2013 runtime error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's one thing that you need to understand. A lot of components of older versions of Visual C++ are used in newer versions, and there are a lot of versions which are obsolete now. So, whenever we face this issue, the simple solution is to open your browser and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Go to the first link, go to Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, and 2022. Scroll down for the 64-bit computer, which is the most common one. Select the x64 version, and for the 32-bit computer, select the x86 version, and then click on Open. Okay, and then just click on Repair. Okay, and then it will ask you to restart your computer. So restart your computer, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and restart your computer. This will fix all the issues. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.